All right, in this next video, what I'm going to do is show you how to install a pop-up button using simple pop-up code from. I'm actually going to be using an example from Exit Splash, which is Dave Gwendon's program, and what it's going to do is help you create a pop-up message that looks like this that tells people, before the page to wait that you have a special offer, or you can work to get them onto your email list. So that's a great way during launches. If people are going to leave your page to offer them a discount, you can use it to encourage people to get back on your list. Lots of different options here. So that's what we're going to work on setting up here. And you can hear somebody talking in my ear. That's because that's what the software does. But Exit Splash, basically for lack of having access to any better code, this is one of the best tools out there for creating good pop-up windows, and can't recommend it enough. I think it's a fabulous program, and so I would um, you know, highly recommend it. So Exit Splash is a great way to to use this tool. And what I would do here is go to exitsplash.com. Exitsplash.com. You can actually access it, and you're going to get this line of code here. The place you're going to put this code is by right-clicking on all the code and choosing Copy. And we're going to open up our Composer file here, and we're going to click on Composer. And let's say we're going to go back to, let's open up a mini site template that we're working in. So I'm just going to go here to index 2. This is a mini site template. And let's say we want to actually insert this exit splash code. So when you are working with exit splash, or if you find a different exit splash code, it does not mean they're not out there. You can go to Google. We don't have a relationship with Dave Gwendon. We just like that product, so I'm just recommending it here as an example. But if you can go to Google, type in exit splash PHP code, JavaScript code. You could have a code made for you. It's completely up to you. But you can actually just right click on this, choose copy, right click copy, and then you can actually come down here. You're going to open up the file you're working with, choose source, and then go all the way to the bottom right before the body tag. So you see it's going to say caret to the left, and it's going to say /body. You want to just put a space key there, and then copy, right, or excuse me, paste, right click and paste that code into your website. And now, you're going to see it's going to say script in here. But if I were to save this, it would actually have that code now functioning and working in there. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my mini site here, and we're going to open that up in our browser just to test it out. But you're going to always put it under HTML code, under source code, and then you're going to put it at the very bottom on that footer there. And then it should, if it's saved correctly, should show up there. Sometimes you have to refresh that page. But then you just want to test it, make sure it works. So you go in here again, go to your source code and paste it right in there above the body tag. That's how you put in a pop-up window.